Hello everyone, in today's video, we will be discussing 5 best things you can do to reduce the risk of heart attack. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. It is essential to take necessary precautions to keep your heart healthy. Here are some of the things you can do to reduce your risk of heart attack. 1. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help reduce the risk of heart attack. It can also improve your overall health and well-being. Engage in regular physical activity such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or aerobics. 2. Eat a healthy diet. A healthy diet is essential for maintaining good health. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Avoid eating processed foods, sugary drinks, and saturated fats. 3. Limit alcohol intake. Drinking alcohol in excess can increase the risk of heart disease. A moderate amount of alcohol can, however, have some health benefits if consumed in moderation. 4. Control weight. Being overweight or obese can increase the risk of heart disease. Maintaining a healthy weight can help reduce the risk of heart attack. 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water can help improve blood flow, which can help reduce the risk of heart attack. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. In conclusion, these are some of the best things you can do to reduce your risk of heart attack. By following these simple steps, you can improve your overall health and well-being. Remember to consult your doctor before starting any new exercise or diet plan. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.